Learn how to contact students through the Find Students tab. Go to Find Students page. Refine your search by changing the subject you teach. Check out the various students' requests. As you can see, some messages are addressed to specific tutors. However, these students are happy to be contacted by other tutors too. Click on the request you are interested in. Contact the student by writing a personalized message in this text box. Click on Send Message and apply. Some requests reach a limited number of replies. Click on Find Requests to continue with your search. Only verified tutors can apply for these requests. To become a verified tutor, go to Profile Settings and upload your ID document. For more information on how to verify your profile, please check out our Help Center article, How to Verify My Profile. Thank you for watching.